Congratulations, Muslim community of the world. UN Rights Council approves resolution on religious hatred after Qur'an's burning. Western countries had strongly opposed resolution, arguing it conflicted with laws on free speech. A deeply divided UN Human Rights Council has approved a controversial resolution that urges countries to address, prevent and prosecute act and advocacy of religious hatred after incidents of Qur'an-burning in Sweden. The resolution was strongly opposed by the US, EU and other Western countries, which argued that it conflicted with laws on free speech. On Wednesday, the resolution was passed, with 28 countries voting in favor, 12 voting against, and 7 abstaining. MSL Official News. Thanks very much.